And then you
Oi,
come and say you want.
and me tell about YouTube make we start do this. And me tell you. And
You,
first
know,
and
you tell
foremost.
me about YouTube.
And me tell us that we start YouTube and then I pull off look idiot stinking prank with me.
Here, don't
Go
ramp with
sell
me.
your body
Don't ramp with
and
me.
don't make me have to
Don't
tell you what
ramp
to
with me.
sell.
Don't ramp.
Writing you this letter. I'm writing you this letter. Girl, you make me better. Girl, you are my treasure.
Yeah, people. You see me and CECE if you do a video look a bit from this, you see me? So guys, me hurry up and do this. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on the bell, follow up on Instagram, you see me? Me I go tell her say yo, a man link me last night and say you want the channel for buy, you see me? So we are planning to sell it. Where she up to, you see me guys? Remember to leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow up on Instagram, watch it ads them, turn on the post notification bell and just stay tuned for this video guys. Remember to watch as much as possible. Watch the video over 10 minutes please if it's so long. You see me guys, just support the thing.
What's up guys?
You don't know, say it's your boy CECE
And your girl Nathan.
yeah people, and we're there back with a video. Wanna see by the title? Today we are gonna do.
When was the last time? Challenge!
Yeah. When was the last time you?
When was the last time you?
Yesterday. It's morning.
Yeah, you hear him say yes today. Yes today. Don't come change.
Alright
yes
people,
today.
before we get into this video, I want to know if you like, share, comment, subscribe.
Hit that notification bell, and if you know I wonder why we not get a notification, turn lock off the bell and turn it on back and put it on all on the
Make sure the bell upon all. Guys, remember to follow me at chaplad_official_ on Instagram. You see me? Follow CECE.
So yeah guys, and remember to watch the ads them. Don't skip the ads. Guys, I really want to say thanks for each and every support. Just keep on supporting us continuously, you know what I mean? Yes guys. And we are the promo special, so you can hit me up for the promo.
Yeah.
Very cheap.
Promo.
Whatever.
Like
What
yeah. So
yes.
people just link you up if you want a promotion, you see me?
On Instagram or WhatsApp.
Yeah. So guys, we are gonna get straight into the video right now, you see me? So we'll go first.
Rock, paper,
One time we are doing.
rock,
2 times. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dead.
You're
dead. I'm for teeth. Me I do my stone. You can't tell me for another stone. You're dead. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah man, me know you're gonna do stone. Me know you're gonna do stone. Me smart, you know? Dead. Me plan for this time, people. Dead. Alright, so when was the last time? Music. When was the last time you? When was the last time you paid?
Really? Yeah?
Yeah.
This morning?
This morning you paid? Yeah. You paid this morning when me asleep? Oh. You're tired. You know paid this morning and yesterday you paid liar nasty pitney.
What you would have been this morning, neither?
But you feel paid more than me.
Nathan, I be here this morning when you're sleeping. You know I always get up and take my early morning shower.
Alright, so you're tired.
When was the last time you cheat by me?
Last month I think. Oh, put on the ad there. Put on the ad there.
You say that if you ask, say no. Leg off for me. Him cheat by me for chewing a guys. I think I lie, Mattel. Leg off for me. Stop now.
A joke. See, I make the bag all a drop there.
You know what
A joke. My time. When was the last time? Alright. When was the last time, Bean? So,
Yeah, more vibes, more vibes.
yeah, you know, so a man take me for Instagram. For, you come from, where you say you come from? Honolulu. You know, foreign. And guys, what to think about if you sell the channel? Because one man text me and he want to pay 10,000 for the channel. Not Jamaican, 10,000 US for the channel. You see me? So, I never tell CECE yet, but it just flash back in our mind. Guys, me I say, yo, what me that say is we got to have somebody text, you see me? And me them text and them I say, yo, Ray, like how we never really a post and maybe we gonna go stop post again and thing. Them I say like we don't really want the channel but we want it, you see me? Well want it and them I say they would have them willing to pay 10,000 US for the channel, you see me? And me I say yeah, we can sell that. If we sell that right now, we can take the money and do necessary things like what we need and then we build back a next channel, you know. And we just start doing video them and you know guys, when I go really support them, I will come back and subscribe to it and thing. It'll take we have to go wait for my pin and stuff, but me want to bring to CC and see what she up to and thing.
Something there?
You ask me about something
Me
to
ask
from
you,
my
Nathan, it's something really there? You come in the room and then you come about channel? What is wrong with you?
Virgin.
You're so far. Just not me sit down and reason. Guys, I'm just doing my animal more. And then we left on the opinion down there. You see how far we have to go to build up the
Me no
channel?
business. Stop. I want to hear
A
my
king and
stop.
share them bring me friends so far and then when we come back home, we have to buckle from one to reach a month so reach 24K. So leg off of
You
me.
talk too much. We don't want to hear that. I want it sell.
Don't make me tell you if you go hey, no make me tell you if you go
You
sell
don't
your
ramp
body,
with
you
me
know.
here. Don't
Go
ramp with
sell
me.
your body.
Don't ramp with
And
me.
don't make me have to
Don't
tell you
ramp
if you
with me.
sell.
Don't ramp with me. Sell what you
Go
bought.
sell your ass.
Sell which ass?
Okay, you must not have nothing
We
to
never
sell.
sell for you.
We can't sell.
At the channel
Nobody
we
can
talk
put
about
me-
for sell. I want to
Don't
tell you.
make me this then, Nathan.
This one. You see nobody can reach
You know,
with you.
you are going
That
like
you
say,
move like you don't.
you and the somebody make sure don't talk and have no plans and then
Yesterday, last night, the man text
I
me
don't
that.
business.
You ever hold 10,000 US in your hand yet?
I don't want to hold it.
You know how much money is 10,000 US?
Soon, me will hold it soon and I will know soon. Me not rush no all them sitting there figuring up. And then when time, we sell the man
Brother,
the
we not
channel.
talk to no people.
Then
man.
when time we sell the man the channel, you know.
Lock off that, brother. Because I don't know what you talk about. You talk to people and about then when time.
Tell what you lock off is something for.
Then when time, woman.
The people them fi know about what go on because you're too
people
out of
you.
order. No man, that's because you come go on like say the channel belong to you alone.
My, this
You forgot
no,
your name.
I want
Your
you.
name. CC and Nathan.
So what? Who for idea? Who first build the channel? And me and my channel, you know.
Oi.
And then you come and say you want.
And me tell you about YouTube make we start do this. And me tell you. And
You,
first
know,
and
you
foremost,
tell me about YouTube.
and me tell us say we start YouTube and then I pull off look idiot stinking prank with me. Pull off on me.
Watch your mouth. Kalisha, na me first I do my YouTube.
you
Me
like
not do
so?
YouTube before you, me and you.
That's a long time, not even know them time there.
Oh. That me ask you. I have my channel already. You could have built a channel. You never didn't know if you build a YouTube channel. And that's the easiest thing to do. Eh?
It's not selling.
I know you control that, Virgin.
You know you
When
can't
me
sell.
send the man the password and the thing them and the email and tell the man when he send the money, you know me I send him in.
Send them a blood clot email and you ask and don't me have to disrespect you.
Kalisha, you
Don't
pass
make me
it.
disrespect you.
You
You
pass
a
it.
pass for your place.
You pass your place, boss. Both said
Oh.
email a ass. You pass your place here. Anytime if the man ever send the money, me send him the email and
Me,
the
I make sure I go-
password and tell him
Me-
say when he put it in, he change the password.
Me, I make sure I go up and take your phone and send that man a voice note. Me, I go make sure I tell him plain and straight, so pussy hole, don't text back this phone, cause come like when you come for describe life or something.
No,
When we
no.
are going to sell with channel, for now, say we are back down and we are broke down and we look like all broke, and then we have to sell with channel for how much in money, and then we have to go start all over again and buckle to Jesus Christ, am I?
So I'm to
Me
that.
rather sit down with my channel and buckle and make me look at pens them or my people them I give me and put them down, save, invest. You will see the amount of money where I sell, boy, we want to give you for channel. And more than that we will make. So don't go tell me nothing.
You know how much money is
Me
that?
no business.
So how you gonna know?
How come like you're ready for money?
I'm already
You a
if that
Batman?
can help
Use
you
a-
and me.
Don't touch me. Use a Batman.
So we are
Use a Batman. You love money.
Yeah.
You love money. Yeah?
I want Kalisha just calm down, please. We are reason. Hear what me I say. That can buy your lace wigs, Air Forces, Clarks, Sis, more than one Clarks, Reeboks. That can buy how much in thing, brother. Lace wig, makeup, ears did.
And it still can't buy by how much in hard work, how much in sweat, and
It
how
a
much
pay we are
don't
feet.
don't you know understand? This
We-
is the hard work and we sweat and everything we buckle and go
And
through
more than
pack.
$1 million
No
that.
friend, yes, I don't tell me nothing. You know, so I'm not going to sit down right and I go on video like me, is a little mad man. Come say, come like you mad or something, you know.
Just sit down.
Don't
You hear me?
touch
Just sit
me.
down now, you hear what me I say? I'm more than $1 million. You help your mother, out of that, we good. You help youth.
Want
You
to
know
die
how much
with
harm to your Kalisha.
You think my love likes? You think me do things for money?
What you mean by do things for money? Enough for money that I pay we are for hard
You love
work.
too much fucking money, and that's why you want blood clot. So you pay to get must but
Yo,
bat
sit down now, man.
clot, man. I'm telling you, if you go send your body to blood clot, email to you, man. Send your blood clot,
You hear how much bad way they are customer man to send batty to email? Send which batty to which email? I'm to your Kalisha.
This, yo.
This yourself. Frigga.
I don't like you, no, you know,
Frigga.
I don't like you.
Frigga.
I don't like you.
Frigga.
Yeah, let me get to you.
Me not business where you want to say. Me not business. Me not good thing so me stop the video cause you don't understand, you know. Me I make the people they know so I want to sell the channel, you know.
You see, if you have
And yeah,
video,
you see me a video nothing. You see me a video nothing.
No, you're not laughing with you. Notice you're not laughing down there. It's don't.
Me a video you. Me look like me a video you. More a video you. You know no respect. You pass your place a while ago when you talk about spit. Go on man, you have to take prank when you get prank and stop push out the camera out of face. Take prank when you get prank. What you lick me for? You get prank and stop going to Virgin. Watch your bump in her forehead, guys. Look. Kalisha, you know, say if you stop move like say you're some ignorant madman. Watch you.
Guys, this don't bad and it's be a foolish bad from already.
People, me ain't not talking with her, guys. Just she broke my vibes, guys. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe.